Number 1. Amazon Fire TV Cube, newest model, with AI-powered Fire TV search. Our fastest ever streaming media player brings lightning-fast app, starts with an octa-core processor and is 2x as powerful as Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Hands-free Alexa with built-in mic and speakers control your compatible TV, soundbar, and receivers with your voice, even from across the room. Smarter searching starts here. Find movies by actor, plot, and even iconic quotes with AI-powered Fire TV search. Number 2. Like new Fire TV Cube, hands-free streaming device with Alexa. Like new Fire TV Cube is refurbished, tested, and certified to look and work like new and comes with the same limited warranty as a new device. Like new Amazon devices may be packaged in generic Amazon-branded boxes, our fastest ever streaming media player brings lightning-fast app, starts with an octa-core processor and is 2x as powerful as Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Hands-free Alexa with built-in mic and speakers. Number 3. Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite, free in live TV. Our most affordable Fire TV streaming stick enjoy fast streaming in full HD, comes with Alexa Voice Remote Lite. Great for new users, start streaming with access to over 300,000 free movies and TV episodes from ad-supported streaming apps like Amazon Freevee, Tubi, Pluto TV, and more. Easy to set up, stays hidden. Plug in behind your TV, turn on the TV, and connect to the internet to get set up. Press and ask Alexa, use your. Number 4. Like new Fire TV Stick 4K Max streaming device. Like new Fire TV Stick 4K Max is refurbished, tested, and certified to look and work like new and comes with the same limited warranty as a new device. Like new Amazon devices may be packaged in generic Amazon-branded boxes, our most powerful streaming stick 40% more powerful than Fire TV Stick 4K, with faster app starts and more fluid navigation. Support for next-gen Wi-Fi 6, enjoy smoother 4K streaming across multiple Wi-Fi 6. Number 5. Fire TV Cube Luna Controller, Cloud Gaming Bundle. This bundle includes a Fire TV Cube and a Luna controller, the essentials to get started with Luna, Amazon's game streaming service. Prime or Luna subscription required, subscriptions sold separately. Download the Luna app on your Fire TV and play your favorite games straight from the cloud. No game console required. Prime members play Fortnite and a monthly rotating selection of games at no additional cost. Subscribe. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.